Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm getting organized in 2021. And here's what I'm doing. These are some Dollar Tree butterflies that I have ordered. And what I'm doing is I'm taking these little sleeves for stamps and dies, and I'm putting all my butterflies in by size, like such. And then once I filled one, I put it in my bucket here. That way when I go to craft, it's easier to find what I'm looking for. So here's what I'm doing. I'll take one that's this size, put it aside, and then I'll look and organize them this way. Okay, now all the same size, they go together no matter what color or whatever. As long as they're that size, they go together. So let me check something here. My brightness is off. Whoops. Contrast. No. Okay, there we go. Oops. Now we're... There. Okay. Move that out of the way. And we can continue. So we also have this size, which is a little bit smaller. So again, we take them, pile them. We have them this size. So this one will go here in this pile. And then we have this one that will go there in that pile. See, I have pile here, pile here, pile here. So I'll just keep going. See? And that's how I do it. So I will see you all in the next video. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video or any content. I will see y'all in organization 2020 video number 2 soon. See y'all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, Crafty Angels.